Steve Smith from Nanaimo, BC. We're here at Mount Prevost in Duncan on Vancouver Island, about to do some downhill riding on the new bike I'm riding this year, DaVinci Wilson. 2011's all different for me. Everything's changed. Basically went everything rock, shock, SRAM, Travative. So yeah, big change there for me with the new DaVinci bike. Pretty sick. It pretty much just eat things up. Good here in the muddy winter stuff right now. DaVinci's been working with Dave Weigel on the new suspension design here, the split pivot. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, geometries on this bike are wicked. It's nice and low, good head angle and everything, so wicked. Bienvenidos a Hotel California. Agradable lugar, preparamos champagne. Yeah, stoked to be running the SRAM stuff, be on the Black Box program this year. Get some new and cool stuff for the downhill bike and help work with them and get things going.